Hey Johannes, my name is Afan and I am from Seattle SEO, and we spoke on the phone a couple days ago regarding this video. Basically, in this video, I will show you the top 3 things you guys can do today to help bring in more clients. Now, before you get into this, I will know that you're probably still on the edge of whether you need this or not, which I completely understand, but the world is digitalizing at a faster rate than ever seen before, so it's critical to know what you need to do to stay on top of your game. It will make it much easier for you to get potential clients as they'll find your companies quicker. That's why I'm offering you a free attack plan of actual things you guys can do today to maximize your success of the company. And like I said, completely free and doesn't constitute some kind of agreement between us. So by the end of this video, if you like it, feel free to send me a quick message of what you liked and we can set up a time to chat. If you didn't like it, however, or want to take the action yourself, perfectly fine. I just want to let you know what you guys need to do and what areas you should focus on. So let's dig right into it. The first thing you need to do to even start the journey of the digital age is a powerful website. I was only able to find your company by digging deep into the Google Maps and locating you guys in Renton. As you guys can imagine, customers aren't going to always do that. They want to find someone who is a professional, who has a professional website and has experience. You guys have the experience. Now you just need the professional looking website. Let's take a look at the top listing for Auto Body Renton. Search that up, standard searching on Google, and you can see that the top one of the top is American Auto Painting and Body. So this is their website. Their website looks decent and explains all their services to the customers without having to go on. So as you can imagine, a site is extremely powerful when it comes to digital marketing, and not only digital marketing, but also having you guys have some brand recognition and some authority. Now let's get into the actual content of the site. We use a service known as Ahrefs that derives all the necessary content of a site and displays it to us. This is an example. This is American Auto Painting and Body, the homepage or the whole website itself. We're able to locate the backlinks, the keywords, site power, and other stuff, which we will get into later. At the moment, let's just focus on the keywords. As you can see, American Auto Painting and Body has 308 keywords. That means that if clients search any of these words up, assuming that American Auto Painting worked on them correctly, they should be on or at least close to the first listing on Google. Now let's click into the keywords figure and we get to see the specifics of what American Auto Painting is ranking for. From this, we can see that there are many powerful keywords such as painting car shop body paint, paint auto body, and these are industry universal words. This means that we can create your website. When we create your website, we can build it around these keywords and easily rank higher. So let me just explain what these words actually mean. So when it comes to volume, volume refers to how often customers search these words up. Painting car shop, 700 volumes, so that's pretty common. KD is keyword difficulty or how difficult it is to rank on these words. 14 is relatively easy and it's on a scale from 0 to 100, 100 being the highest. And then position is what position these guys have held with these words. So as you can see, painting car shop not doing so good at rank 16. When it comes to other words such as auto body rental, they are rising up at 6. Now the only reason I'm skipping words such as American Auto Painting and American Auto Painting Renton is these are actually brand specific words. We can't really use them ourselves because they reference American Auto Painting and there's not many places we can use them in our website. But don't worry about these words. They are just based on after you generate a website with enough keywords that were powerful, you automatically gain authority, and then your own keywords start creating themselves as people understand. Moving on to the second most important aspect, the Google Map Pack. Let us move back to the search. Here's an example. It shows the name, phone number, and location of several businesses. It's critical to be on this map pack. Now, why? Think of a time you're trying to find a nearby business for any reason, coffee, restaurant, library, you name it. When you search these terms up, Google provides a map pack of nearby businesses that match your keyword, and most people end up clicking one of these companies rather than scrolling down, as it's simply more convenient. If your company lands that map pack, clients will instantly click into your site for any automotive body shop help. How do you rank on it though? Citations. We use whitespark.ca, which costs around $30 to $70 a month, depending on the plan. On it, we can see that American Auto Painting and Body, which is on the map pack, second place, has 46 citations. And they are second on that list. All you have to do is beat 46 citations and you will be on that list. So extremely easy to beat because what WhiteSpark does is once you click into their citations, you can see every single citation that they sent. It's Facebook, Bing, Yelp, BBB, and the red dot signifies that you guys can also submit your listing, once you have a website of course, into these sites, and they will be able to accept you and you will be able to just simply add them to your citation count. Finally, let's cover the last topic of backlinks. Google doesn't rank just based on keywords alone. Most of the site's power actually lies in how many other sites are linking to you. American Auto Body has 287 backlinks, and this may look a little bit daunting at first, but it's important to note that not all links are equal. Now let's back up a little bit. What is a backlink? A backlink is kind of a referral or recommendation from another company towards you guys for a service. Now you can imagine how powerful these are, but you can also imagine how some of them will be worth a lot more than others. For example, a link from, say, a quick lube shop, something that only specifies in oil changes or tire repair, not exactly what you guys do, but very similar, will be worth a lot more than a random pizza place, because that random pizza place won't really know the specifics of how you guys work, whereas the quick lube shop is a similar industry, so they will have more power, and Google understands that. So backlinks have to do with who actually refers you for that backlink as well. Now, all we have to do, similar to before, click into the number of backlinks, and then we have to submit our website into those backlinks that we deem as most powerful. You don't have to get 287, as if some of those can be a spam, and you don't want to add those. It'll just be extra work, not much gain. So just don't look at 287 as a numerical figure to beat. Just more look at the power that it holds behind it. So just to conclude, I'll give you a couple of hints at what you need to improve. First of all, you need a powerful website, first off, with substantial content and the correct keywords. You also need to boost your citations to at least 70 to 100 just to stay way ahead of your competition. American Auto Body had close to 50 and it was only second. We need a little bit more than that even to beat first place, and then we will secure a spot as first place. Third, you need more relevant sites pointing to your site so Google sees you as the authority. You need more backlinks. Now, if you implement these tips today, you will be #1 across Google. Now what? Well, you can go with the information I gave you today and do it all by yourself, which is completely fine. However, if you want the most efficient and effective route, you can work with Seattle SEO and we will take care of all this for you. Call me at 425-679-2519. Once again, this is Afan from Seattle SEO and I hope to hear from you soon. Goodbye and take care.